about the fruit. Do you like fruit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is this?
Orange.
Okay, the color of orange is orange, right? Yes. What is this? Banana. What is the color of banana? You can't tell me. What is this? Strawberry. What is the color of strawberry? Yes. What is this? Grape. What is the color of grape? Black. Okay.
I'm the grape.
You are the grape. So what is this? Mango. What is the color of mango? Green. Exactly. Well done. You are mango.
I'm strawberry. I'm orange. I have mango. I have banana.